In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Rakuten pop-ups. If you've been seeing deal banners and cashback prompts jump onto your screen while you shop online, they're almost always coming from the Rakuten browser extension. It's designed to help by surfacing discounts, but if you prefer a cleaner, quieter experience, you can turn it off or remove it entirely. I'll walk you through the process on a desktop browser using Google Chrome. Start by opening Chrome. Click in the address bar at the top, type Chrome, Extensions, and press Enter. This takes you straight to Chrome's Extensions page, where all of your installed add-ons are listed. Scroll through the list and look for Rakuten. It may be labeled Rakuten or Rakuten Cashback. Once you've found it, you have two simple choices. First, to stop the pop-ups without uninstalling anything, switch the toggle next to the extension to the off position. When an extension is toggled off, it's disabled. It won't run in the background, won't show notifications, and won't display those shopping alerts. You can come back here anytime and toggle it back on when you actually want help activating cashback. Second, if you're sure you don't want the extension at all, click Remove. Chrome will ask you to confirm. Choose Remove, and the extension is uninstalled from your browser. This completely stops Rakuten from injecting prompts on shopping sites, and it also frees up a bit of browser memory. After you toggle it off or remove it, refresh any open shopping tabs so the change takes effect on pages you already had open. New tabs will reflect the change automatically. You don't need to restart Chrome, but if you don't see the change right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. Which option should you choose? If you only want silence while you're not shopping, toggling off is the most flexible approach. If you're done with it altogether, removal keeps things tidy. Either way, you're in control, and you can always reverse your choice later by re-enabling the toggle or reinstalling the extension. If you still encounter unexpected pop-ups after this, remember that they could be coming from other extensions using similar prompts. The same extensions page is where you can review and manage those as well. That's it. By adjusting one setting on the extensions page, you've stopped Rakuten's pop-ups and reclaimed a cleaner browsing experience.